In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password in your Godaddy account. Changing your password is a key part of maintaining your online security and ensuring that your personal and business-related information stays protected. Let's dive into the process together, step by step, so that you leave here feeling confident and secure. First, you need to head over to Godaddy's official website. Open your preferred web browser and type in godaddy.com. Once you're there, you'll see the sign-in option, typically located in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on that, and then enter your login information as directed. You'll need to input your username or customer number, as well as your current password. Be sure you're entering the correct details so you can smoothly access your account. Now that you're logged in, head over to your account settings. This is generally found by clicking on your account name or profile icon, which should be visible at the top right of the page. In the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. This section is where you'll find various options related to your account management, including your personal information, billing details, and security settings. Once you're in the account settings area, look for a section linked to your login PIN or security settings. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll find the option to change password. Click on it, and the page will prompt you to enter your current password, followed by your new password twice to confirm. Creating a strong password is crucial. It should be a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Aim for a password that's at least 8 to 12 characters long, ensuring it's memorable just for you but difficult for others to guess. After you've inputted your new password, take a moment to double-check for any typos, and confirm it matches exactly in both fields. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and save your changes. Godaddy should confirm that your password has been updated successfully, providing you with peace of mind that your account is more secure than before. Before we wrap up, remember it's a good practice to periodically change your passwords and never reuse passwords across multiple sites. Consider using a password manager if you're juggling several different passwords. This tool can help you store and retrieve your credentials securely without the hassle of remembering each one. And there you have it, you've successfully changed your password on your Godaddy account. Thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Stay safe out there.